GIMP is a free and open-source image editor that can be used for a wide range of editing tasks, from basic color correction to advanced image manipulation. One of the most appealing aspects of GIMP is that it is completely free to download and use, making it a great option for individuals and small businesses who are looking for a powerful image editing tool without the high cost. GIMP offers a wide range of features, including support for layers and masks, a variety of brushes and tools for painting and drawing, and support for various image formats. It also includes advanced features such as support for non-destructive editing and the ability to create and edit animated images. One of the things that sets GIMP apart from other free image editors is its active and supportive community. There are a variety of resources available online, including tutorials, forums, and a library of plugins and scripts that can be used to extend the functionality of the program. Despite being a free and open-source program, GIMP is a highly capable image editor that can easily compete with paid alternatives. It offers many of the same features and tools as more expensive options, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile image editing tool. In conclusion, GIMP is a powerful, versatile, and free image editor that can be used for a wide range of tasks from basic color correction to advanced image manipulation. It's a great tool for individuals and small businesses who are looking for a powerful image editing tool without the high cost, and also has an active community that provides a variety of resources and support. For more information about GIMP, how to get it and how to use, just stay tuned. We will post new video tutorial about this soon. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.